Today's going to be a quick video getting this little Polaris Scrambler kids ATV back up and running. It's been sitting for around 10 years or more. This is a 2001, well, manufactured 2001 in Taiwan, and it's a Scrambler 50. I think we'll just pop the carburetor off and start there. I did check inside the tank and it smells just horrible in there, so I'm not going to waste my time trying to start it. And the tank is dry in there too. It does turn over and have good compression. Come on, mice. Let's see if it's got spark. Appears we got no spark because the key's on, and this has got the kill lanyard here. However, that he told me that's been bypassed. Unless it needs the battery for spark, possibility. Oh yeah, she does have spark. I don't know why this darn thing won't start on ether, because I got good spark, but like I don't want to pull the carb off till I hear it start. So I just rigged up something to make the starter motor instead of kicking it. There it goes. Yeah. Is that running on gas? No, it's not. All right, now I pull the carb off. I couldn't get it to start with the damn kicker, and the start switch is beat, so I just kind of pulled the starter relay out of here and hit that with 12 volts directly. I'm excited to see the inside of this. It smells horrible. Oh yeah, that is nasty. Yeah, so this is an example of a carb that you cannot get around taking it apart and cleaning it. Here's a better close-up of them. Filthy. This stuff on the bottom out here is crazy. Oh my god, it's like tar, dried tar down there. Got it all cleaned up, poked out the jets, ready to slap it together and put it on. The tank was empty, so I put about a half gallon of premix in there and then purged out the lines. This is the stuff that came out of the fuel filter. This is oil injected, but I figured I'd start with premix just to be safe and then make sure the oil injection system's working, which the tank for that is right here. And that is also bone dry. I would definitely suggest replacing the fuel filter in the future, but for now, it's going to be just fine. Well, there's why the oil tank was empty. Darn line's cracked on the bottom of the tank. I was able to just cut the split off and hook the hose back up, but I'll definitely want to put a new hose on that. We'll see if she runs first, though. Sounds pretty good. True story, many years ago when I worked at East Coast Kawasaki on this exact bench, because I got this when they closed down, I was working on I believe it was a Zuki 50 quad, just like this, and I had it facing that away, and I was trying to get it started, and it fired up. Well, it turned out the throttle was jammed wide open, and the thing freaking just about wheelied off the bench, took off, broke an airline off the wall. We have PVC airlines in the shop. It was the loudest thing ever. It was pretty bad. but luckily nobody got hurt. This actually wasn't revving up either. It was only going like 8 throttle, and I'm like, oh, did I put something wrong on the carb? But it turns out it's got that the child stop here. So you just had to back that screw off, and now we got, oh yeah, full power, baby. And the oil injection is dry still, so we'll be rechecking that after we ride it, because there is oil in the tank. It's got that classic sloppy steering like you see on a lot of old little Polarises. I think it's missing the bushing on the top there. Alright, I think the oil injection's working. Let's see if I pop that hose off now. You know, it's not really trickling out of it. Maybe it only pumps it at higher RPM. There it goes. Trickle in and out. Alright, so I gotta put some regular gas and replace that tank hose. Okay. Yeah, this little scrambler runs like a top. Thing's like new, just about. Just switching that fuel over, and that'll conclude the video. You know, nothing too exciting, just a quick carb clean. So hopefully, you know, see you in another one that's more exciting when something's more broken. Let me go return this to my buddy, and I'll see you in another one. Thanks, guys.